Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Coronation Park, a lovely and historic green space located in Toronto, Ontario, right by the shores of Lake Ontario. This park holds a special place in the city's history as it was established to commemorate the coronation of King George VI in 1937. The park's design reflects its historical significance, with a series of memorials and monuments that pay tribute to important events and figures. Coronation Park is situated near the mouth of the Humber River, offering beautiful views of the lake and the Toronto skyline. The park is part of a larger network of waterfront parks, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely bike ride. As you explore the park, you'll find plenty of open spaces, well-maintained gardens, and plenty of trees that provide shade and a serene atmosphere. Whether you're here to enjoy a peaceful bike ride, take in the scenic views, or simply relax in a beautiful natural setting, Coronation Park is a wonderful destination that combines history, nature, and community spirit in the heart of Toronto. Thanks for watching!